guys, what's up? It is your girl Chènae and I'm back with a new video. Today's video is just going to show you how I do a basic beak for a natural everyday look. Perfect for work, perfect if you work in the office. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this natural glowing look, you guys know what to do. Definitely stay tuned and keep watching. So starting off, I'm going to take my MAC Velux brow liner in the color Deep Dark Brunette. And I'm just going to go ahead and outline my brows and just shade them in. And I typically like to follow the shape that I already have. So I'll go ahead and begin to outline the bottom half of my brows. Then start with the top, connecting them at the end to make a tail. Now I will say with this, it does not have to be perfect because you will clean them up once you begin to outline it with concealer. So I'm just taking a spoolie just to blend out some of that harshness that where there are no hard line demarcation. Now taking my gel cream from MAC in the same color, I'm going to go ahead and just apply that over my brow as well. That way I have more of a natural look and that my hairs will also just stay in place. Now taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, I'm just going to go ahead and just outline my brows with this just to make sure that they, are sharp and crisp. And that I also, clean up any mistakes that I've made. So I like to, be precise when I outline my brows, just to make sure that I'm getting everything and that it's all neat and whatnot and it's not messy. So I'm just going ahead and just outlining that with concealer. Then I'm going to go ahead and just blend that concealer out. That way it doesn't stand out and it's, not harsh or, sharp or anything like that. Just a natural blend. Now I'm priming my face with the MAC Fix Plus Fluid. I love this stuff, live by it. Now I'm taking my Tarte Radiance drops. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my face. And this is also a primer as well. And a primer just, acts as a shield. That way, the makeup does not get down into your pores and cause, blackheads and stuff like that. So here I'm just doing some color correcting. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange. I'm just going to go ahead and place that underneath my eyes and around my mouth. Because typically these are the places where I have dark spots. And whenever you have dark spots, the key to covering those up is applying a orange concealer. So I'm just doing that now. I'm going to go ahead and just blend that concealer out. That way, once again, there's no harsh lines. And then when I apply my foundation, everything will just look all smooth and nice, like a even canvas. Now taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, I'm in color NC45. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that in spots over my face. And taking a beauty sponge, I'm going to go ahead and just blend that foundation out. And I like using a sponge versus a brush because I find that with the sponge, I'm really able to blend out my foundation nice and not have to worry about, those streaks of foundation. So I'm just going ahead and blend out my foundation. Now going back with the color Natural from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and just highlight underneath my eyes and my nose. And I typically do this because I like for the lights to catch these areas whenever I take my pictures. So I try to make sure that I really cake that stuff on because I really like the cakey look. I know some people don't, but I love that cakey look. So I'm just really caking this concealer on. But I'm going to blend it all out. Now taking a clean beauty sponge, to make sure I just go ahead and just blend all of that concealer out. And you really want to make sure that you blend it out as thin and even as possible. That way when you put your foundation on, it doesn't, seep through too much and make you look like a skeleton. Or, because sometimes I'll look dead and I know that's crazy. But by being so light, you really want to make sure that you blend it out really nice and have it thin and smooth and not, too chalky. So taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set those areas underneath my eyes. And you definitely want to make sure that you set all cream and liquid products with the powder. This just prevents the products from running and sweating off your face. And I'm really caking that powder on because like I said earlier, I love the cakey look. And I also just want to make sure that I set my concealer in my face really well. That way when it's all finished and done, the light just catches these areas nice and just highlights my face so beautifully. So So here I'm just going to go ahead and do a soft contour. I'm using my ABH Contour Kit, and I'm using the darkest color in that palette. I believe that's the medium to dark palette. And I like soft contours. I know that some people contour with a concealer. I really don't like the concealer look because it's a little bit too harsh and too dark for me, and I just prefer something soft. So I'm just contouring the areas of my face. My cheekbones, adding definition underneath my jawline, my forehead, and then also my nose. Just make sure my nose is a little bit slim because I do have a fat nose, the infamous Pullen's nose. But I'm just going to go ahead and just contour and just add more definition to my face so my face will be on point. So I bet y'all think I'm getting ready to do a wing eyeliner. Psych! I'm about to do something very, very simple. This is a simple natural beat, and I don't always rock the wing eyeliner, even though I love the wing eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and just add something simple to my eye, just a little small liner, because I was actually on my way to work while I was doing this video, and I don't want to be too extra or too dramatic. So I'm just going to add just a little small line for my eyeliner, nothing big, nothing major. And I'm using my NYX Matte Black liquid eyeliner. And I love this stuff, y'all. It glides on so smooth, so easily. Now I am adding my KoKo Eyelashes in the NYCs, and I love these eyelashes. They are so, you know, just full of drama, and they wispy, and I get so many compliments for them to be strip lashes. So I'm just applying my eyelashes just to add a little something to this look, because you know a look is nothing without them false eyelashes, girl. So now I'm just going to give a couple of coats of mascara to my eyelashes just to make sure that my natural eyelashes and my falsies are blended together as one. Now here I'm just going to go ahead and just buff out all of that setting powder, remove it from my face. That way this look will begin to come together and your girl will be on point. Now you see my face is still kind of light, so I'm going to go back with my MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC45 just to add some more color to my face. So I'm just basically setting my entire face with this powder so your girl face will be on point and popping. Now taking my Beauty Bakerie highlighter in the color Frozen, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the highest areas of my cheekbones. And you guys, I love this highlighter. It is so gorgeous, and a little goes a long way. So I'm just highlighting the highest points of my cheekbones, and then I'm just going to take a little small dab and apply it to my nose just to make sure, you know, my nose is glowy, because I love, you know, a highlighted glowy nose. That's just so pretty to me. So I'm just also highlighting my nose as well. I'm going to go back with some more of that powder just to dull it out a little bit. Now I also put some on a small inner corner brush, I guess. And I'm just going to take some of that highlighter and just add it to the inner tear duct of my eyes just to open my eyes out just a little bit. So I'll have a glowy effect there also. Now moving on to my lips, taking my MAC lip pencil in the color Stone. I'm just going to go ahead and just begin to outline my lips. Now I'm going to go back with my favorite liquid lipstick by MAC, which is the Lady Be Good. It's a gorgeous nude shade. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my lips as well, just to finish out this look, making sure that I hit all of my points and everything precisely and clean up any messes. And this is the end result, you guys. A glowy, beautiful, natural beat. If you guys like this video, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be easy.